Welcome to our Christmas celebration. Join us as we share our family traditions, delicious German cuisine, and the joy of the holiday season. From baking cookies to exploring Christmas markets, we've got a festive journey ahead. This vlog captures all the special moments from our holiday. Let's dive in. Grandma, Mama, and my little one are busy in the kitchen making traditional German Christmas cookies.
Oma den Ofen auf. Da rein. Ja, noch eine. Oma macht auch, ja? Eine Mohn. Und noch Kinder rein. Ja. Und dann vorsichtig.
After our baking session, we decided to take a stroll through the village, soaking in the crisp winter air before lunch. Say hello to the horses. They are my mother-in-law's pets. For lunch, we enjoyed a traditional German dish, cabbage with minced meat and goat cheese, served with rice. It's hearty and delicious, perfect for a cold winter day. Nothing beats the taste of warm afternoon dessert, cinnamon-infused baked apple with vanilla sauce. A perfect winter treat. In the evening, we headed to the Christmas market in Traben, located by the Mosel River. The underground market was a hidden gem, filled with unique gifts and delicious treats.
Jetzt bin ich
Bei der nächsten Runde wäre schon eins warten. Da muss aber der Bock wieder.
Servus, grüß euch. Jetzt wie immer war 60. Das Mate war vielleicht 20. Der Rotwein hier ist gesund für den Körper. Dann haben wir hier natürlich Bio-Boxhorn-Samkäse. Dann haben wir hier einen mit einer Alpenschnürmann. Aber sowas kriegst du ja nicht mal im Supermarkt. Ja, hallo.
The owner, an experienced salesman, kept offering us samples of different cheeses. We couldn't resist buying 4 varieties of Austrian cheese to take home.
Honig wollte keiner? Haben Sie noch einen Wunsch? Bergkäse. So, dann haben wir hier.
Began with a breakfast featuring the cheese we bought the night before. After breakfast, we took a walk and visited our neighbors to see their adorable rabbits. Adding the finishing touches to our Christmas tree with handmade paper stars. Such a lovely family tradition. Back home, we placed our Christmas gifts under the tree. For dinner, we had German dumplings known as Maultaschen and potato salad. Every year, we light up the candles on our Christmas tree.
Wow!
But this year, we've switched to LED candle lights because of our little one. After dinner, it was time for the much-anticipated gift unboxing.
Auto! Genau, ein Auto.
Wow. Guck mal, hier.
Mach mal für dich. Öffnen. Was ist das? Guck mal. Opa, hier. Papier.
Ui.
Noch eine. Ui, noch eine. Nochmal.
Ui, was ist denn das? Ab, ab. Sag's mal der Mama. Fertig. Ui.
Let's take a look at what everyone got for Christmas this year.
Bunte Socken.
Cool.
Oh. Bunter Schmalbuch.
On Christmas Day, we started with a hearty breakfast of different cheeses, German ham, and cold cuts. We also had a plate of Arabic grilled eggplants, known as baba ganoush. After breakfast, we cracked open some walnuts from our garden. They were incredibly tasty, much better than anything you find in a supermarket. I took a moment to appreciate my gifts, including Lolita's shower gel and hand cream. And 2 Belgian chocolate bars, 1 orange and 1 pistachio. In the afternoon, we snacked on German marzipan and played the board game Dixit. Marzipan is a sweet, versatile confection made primarily from ground almonds and sugar. It has a smooth, dough-like texture. Dixit? A funny game of storytelling and creativity. Use beautiful cards to spark tales and guess the story behind them. Perfect for family fun. Traditional German potato dumplings, soft, hearty, and perfect with gravy or roasted meats. This Christmas, savor a classic German feast. Succulent grilled duck, crispy on the outside, tender inside, paired with sweet and tangy red cabbage. A holiday tradition full of flavor. For dessert, we have creamy vanilla ice cream drizzled with rich Italian coffee liquor, a perfect sweet ending.
Weiß ich tatsächlich.
Day 4 started with a delicious breakfast of waffles and South American avocado sauce, known as guacamole.
Weißt du das hier? Vorher.
Afternoon tea with German Christmas cookies and stolen from Dresden.
Das war jemand.
Oh, bitte, nicht zu mir rüberkommst du dann.
Die neuen. Hängt hier die ganze Decke. Irgendwo hängt da im.
For dinner, we opened a red wine from Mosel, Germany. We paired it with deer goulash, egg noodles, red cabbage, and tomato salad. It was the perfect way to end our Christmas celebration.
Den Zug in die Dose gepasst.
Thank you for joining us on our Christmas journey. We hope you enjoyed celebrating with us and learning more about German traditions. Don't forget to follow our channel for more festive content. Please like, comment, and share our video with your friends and family. Happy holidays!